Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to merge activities on Strava. First step is to export activities from Strava. Go to each activity on Strava you want to merge, click on the three dots on the left side of the activity page, and select Export GPX or Export Original if you need a FIT file. Second step, use GoToS to merge files. Visit GoToS, upload each exported file, follow the prompts to merge the files into one continuous activity file. You can also adjust timestamps and combine metrics. Third step, upload the combined file to Strava. Download the merged GPX or FIT file from GoToS, go to Strava, upload the activity, and upload your combined file, and that's basically it.